it's quite early in the morning, that's why I'm tired. Then I started choosing so this video Hello beautiful, welcome back to the channel. My name is Princess Kelvin. If this is the first time of you seeing my face, you are welcome. Thank you guys so much for clicking the video and watching. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in and for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about my internship program. So I'm going to be having a series on internship, and I'll try as a nurse on internship as a nurse, and I'll try to show you guys my whole process and my whole different level points in the internship, because we are going to be rotating and going from unit to unit as you'll be learning in this video. So in case you don't know what internship is, I've already mentioned it in some of my videos, but then for those that are just tuning in, internship program as a nurse is just a 1 year program. It's not just, it's kind of a big deal. It's a 1 year program where you just get into so that you can gain more experience as a nurse in different areas of nursing that is attainable in my country, the country I am in now, Nigeria. So when you're done with nursing school in a university, BSc nursing university, you will be required to get into an internship program in any state hospital, any federal hospital, or any oil company hospital. So you'll be working for a period of 1 year where they'll be rotating you through the different units of the hospital so that you can gain experience in each area of the hospital. We started our internship program basically with going to the hospital for clearance. So clearance just means that you have to show your documents and show all the valid ID cards to show that you enrolled into school and then you graduated as a nurse. So you just show all the certificates that is needed. So I'm here, I'm going upstairs, so I'm going to the office where I'm supposed to, I think, register. I brought my files though. Okay. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
DCMD.
After that, you will be going into the area of medical examination. This medical examination just tells the staff and the people there that you are fit enough to work as a nurse in their hospital. Okay guys, so this is the next day. Sorry that I'm whispering. I don't want to disturb everybody's in the environment. So I came for the clearance because you have to do clearance before you can have access to the facility as a worker. I've started the process of clearance, so I'm in the point where I had to pay for that since I'm at the point where I'm supposed to go for my medical clearance. So I just submitted the documents. I'm waiting for them to call me. So you have to do mental evaluation, you have to do some blood tests, some x-ray, stuff like that, just to make sure that you are fit to actually be working. So that is what I'm waiting for. Actually, the crowd is not too much today, so in about 30 minutes or so they should be calling me in. So yeah, that is the update so far. So I just stay tuned. So you will be running some tests, some x-ray and other stuff like that to just show that if I'm entering into this medical field, I'm not going to be affecting my patients one, and I'm not going to be easily contracting diseases from them. Also, they will need to know the vaccinations that you have received, if you've been vaccinated against some diseases, and there are some that they will warrant that you actually get vaccinated against. It just depends on the hospital and depends on the cases that are more predominant in that hospital. So after the clearance, the next thing that we did was that we had a meeting with the CMD of the hospital where we were assigned to, or the hospital where I got a space for my internship program. So the CMD was just telling us basic things that we needed to know, such as, not like, he was basically reminding us of the things that we need to do, such as safety and safety procedures in the hospital. If there's a case of fire outbreak in any unit, what we are supposed to do, stuff like that. And also the vaccination again, that will be needed to be, we will need to be vaccinated against some particular diseases. Next stage was that we were assigned to our different units, where we'll be starting for a period of 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, then we'll rotate to another unit. Like for example, I and some of my colleagues can be assigned to, let's say, pediatrics unit, and after pediatrics unit, when you stay there for when you work there for a period of 3 weeks, you then rotate to another unit, while the people in the other unit comes over to your unit, so that everybody can have a taste of the hospital at the end of 1 year. All right, so we are going to Shred's Medical One now. This is it. We are about to enter. All right, so let's go in. So guys, update so far is that we have been in, we are still in the general, sorry, children medical ward, and today is the first day, like I said before, so we don't have much things to do yet. We are just getting to know the place, and we are going for ward rounds, and also we are trying to get our roster together, so that by tomorrow we'll resume properly. Yeah, so we are just here waiting, and we just finished ward round, so yeah, nothing much we are doing right now. Hey guys, good morning. So today I'm going to BMH, the hospital where I'm doing my internship, and it's quite early in the morning. That's why I'm not yet really bright. So I'm about to head out, and hopefully we'll get there on time today. And yesterday I actually got there on time too early, too early. So yeah, so today I'm going a little bit late, so that's, at least I'll get there around the time when I'm supposed to resume. Yeah, okay, let's just go and see how today will be, and as usual, stick around for the updates. Okay guys, so I've changed over to my uniform. Yep, yes. See Gibson. When is drizzling?
Hi everyone. Pediatric nurses.
Yeah, so when it's drizzling now, we are going to our ward. So let's go. In some units it could be too intense, and obviously the nurses that were already working there as their jobs, and then in some other units can be 3, some other units might be 4 was red though. So yeah, that was basically how it went. It was totally at random. They'll just pick this and this over to this unit, and this over to this unit, just like that. And then they developed a calendar or a timetable for us to abide by. Hi guys, so this is my stressed face after a long day at work. I see my intern partner there. We are done. Yeah. Not better too much. So we are done with work, and we'll start going home very soon. We just have a meeting. Now it's currently 4:15. So yeah, we're waiting for other people to just come and let's have the meeting, just to talk about some basic intense stuff. He's making noise in my blog. So just talk about some basic intense stuff. So yeah, let's see my outfit. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, my whole feet, nothing much. Today is a Friday, by the way. Tomorrow we are off. Saturday and Sunday we are off. Okay, alright guys, bye. So basically what we're doing in the children's ward, we observe the child depending on how critical their case might be. So before any child comes to the children in this particular hospital we are working, before any child comes to the children's ward, they probably may have gone through the children emergency if they were very critical. So they are kind of calm. before they are coming to the children's ward. So they are just to admit them and then just observe them before they can be discharged. So but any child that comes directly into the children's ward or the children's medical ward, is the person is not really that, what I say, it's not really that serious, that which is a good thing for them. At least they are not going to spend more money, and their child is already a little bit calm. So that is basically it. Observing the child physically and sometimes mentally too. Also giving checking vitals and giving medication at the right time and the right dosage, which is very important. The dosage is so important. And then we are always explaining to the parents. So that is one of the most difficult parts of working in children's ward. Good morning, guys. So today is a new day. How was your night? Hope your night was nice. Depending on the time you're watching this though. So I'm still in children ward, as you know. I'm quite early. My shift starts by 8. Like I mentioned, throughout this week I'm on morning shift. So I'm kind of early, not kind of very early. Now it's 7:30. Alright, so I'll just go in straight up to my scrub and then get ready to start the shift. Let's just go. Hoping today will be nice, not too stressful. But yeah, we'll see. If it's stressful, we'll do what we have to do. Alright, bye-bye. See you guys in a bit. I'm in the ward right now. See, this is how the ward looks. This is my intern body.
Hello.
Yeah. Come this way. Your face is kind of dark. Come this way. Yeah. The wall, yeah, the wall has aces, guys. So this is how the whole. This is children medical. Nobody is here. That's why I'm actually videoing. Nobody is here right now. That's how it is. Each bed stand. When a particular patient comes, we put the phone. We make the bed, and then we put something like this for them over here, so that they can keep their drugs. Got something like this. They can keep their drugs and every other thing they bought. This is how a particular bed chart looks, but I will not be able to show you guys everything because this is a patient's one. Yeah, so over here we have the screen, normally to give privacy to a particular patient in whatever procedure we're giving. So yeah, over this other place is the tetanus room, special case tetanus, and here is the procedure room, because it's mostly for ECG, yeah, electrocardiogram. Then here is the bedroom, patient's bedroom, and then staff bedroom. Staff bedroom is normally locked. Yeah, just nothing much again. Okay, this other place is the storage room, and here is our matron's office. She's actually on duty today, but I can't go there. So yeah, this is the place we just sit. Nurses, we just sit and maybe attend to our shots and every other thing. Yeah, okay guys, that is basically it. Okay. Hi guys, so we are done for today. We are done for today. We are on our way home. Today was stressful in a good way. Like, I learned so many things, and okay, so I learned so many things, guys. Honestly, I did, and even the way to like talk to patients, like I mean patient's relative, their parents. You know, we are working in the children's ward, so it's not the children you're really attending. You attend to the children though, but you're mostly explaining what you're doing to their parents. And imagine you as a parent and your child is not feeling fine, so imagine the kind of state that you will be in. So yeah, that is the kind of people that we're dealing with today, and I don't know, today I enjoyed it. At least it's not every day that will not have so much things to do. So today we have a lot of things to do. We're supposed to be closing by 4 p.m. but now it's currently to 5 and I just leaving the hospital. So yeah, that is the update so far. Yeah, see you next time. See you tomorrow or whenever I'll vlog again.
Yeah.
You want to say something?
No.
Okay, alright guys.
Tomorrow.
As this brings us to the end of episode 1 of the internship series, and the next episode will definitely be I'll definitely be talking about the next unit I'll be posted in, which is probably the POPD, but I'm not quite sure now. But yeah, I'll confirm. So just stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. Give it a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.